Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my bedroom again, still showing you my Craftsman half horsepower chain drive. It's a 139.53930DM, manufactured of March 8th of 2011. I am still using my HP Photosmart camera. By the way, I charged the battery way over there on this charger on the right side where the red light is glowing. Because my the battery was barely running too low while I was recording my 53930, but I already used the keypad and those two LiftMaster remotes. One of them is the CPT13 and the other one is the 371LM. And I already used the keypad as well. It's a 139.53754-01, manufactured of January of 2012. But I haven't used the wall button and those three remotes yet. I'll actually use the wall button last, but I'm going to show you the light button. The light button does work on the 53930, even though if it doesn't come with the even though if it only comes with a standard wall button. The lock button does work as well on the 53930. I'm going to show you it on the Axis Master remote. The opener light blinks twice to let you know that you locked your garage door opener. In case if you are going on a cruise ship or anywhere that's far away from your home, or if you're going on a very, very long road trip for a while longer while you're away from your house. Or anywhere, or any types of vacation that is that's far away from your home, or something like that. Let's go ahead and show you the model number on these remotes, but I'm not sure what the model number is on this remote, but I think it's 371LM, I believe, but I'm not completely sure. But it was manufactured of April of 2008, which I know it's 17 years old. This one is a Chamberlain 950 CD remote, manufactured of February of 2010. This remote does work on this opener, the one that I'm going to operate. And the Axis Master remote is a 371 AC, manufactured of November of 2010. Alright, now let's go ahead and use the Axis Master remote first, and here we go. I think I already showed you the safety sensors already in the other video, didn't I? I think I just already did that already. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the closing with the Axis Master remote, and here we go. Now let's go ahead and use the Chamberlain remote, the Chamberlain 950 CD, and here we go. Now we'll use the Chamberlain remote to do the closing with it, and here we go. Now we'll use our old LiftMaster remote, but actually before I do that, my parents, I wanted to tell you about this LiftMaster remote that my parents actually got this remote when I was a young kid. When I was a very young kid, my parents got this remote a very long time ago when they used to have a LiftMaster 1/3 horsepower. But a couple years after I moved out of the other house, it did not have that LiftMaster. It did not have the LiftMaster. It did not have the old LiftMaster garage door opener anymore, because when I was driving past by it, it had a different garage door and a different garage door opener. It's actually another LiftMaster garage door opener. Now we'll go ahead and use the LiftMaster remote to operate the garage door opener, and here we go. Now we'll do the closing with the... Now we'll do the closing with this... We'll do the closing with this garage door opener with the old LiftMaster remote, and here we go. Now we'll use the premium wall button. We'll operate the garage door opener. We'll operate the 53930DM one more time, and here we go. One final close with this button, and here we go. Okay, I think that's enough for the 53930. Now I'm going to show you the 139.54920. There's the model number. This was manufactured of September 15th of 2016. I actually only have just only one remote in the keypad. This one was actually this is actually like a model number 953 ESTD, manufactured of April of 2024. I actually got this for Christmas back in 2024. That I already showed you in the other video earlier. The one on the right, it's actually, this opener actually came with this remote, but I programmed it to the 54920 in my bedroom, because I thought it would look cool to have it be programmed to this opener. But it does work. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start using the remote first, and here we go. It runs pretty good. I know my emergency release handle is upside down, but I really like it a lot because it looks pretty cool for me to have it be upside down. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the closing with this garage door opener with the remote, and here we go. Here's the premium wall button that my Craftsman garage door opener, the one on the floor on the right side, that I got for Christmas. Like I said in the other video, there is no timer on this button. Some children are frightened to have like the timer be turned on when it's time to close, because of the beeping sound and the blinking opener lights, and it can be quite scary for some of the little children. It does have a lock button. Like I said earlier, the opener lights blink twice to let you know that that you locked your garage door opener with the remote, in case if you're going out somewhere far away from your home, or if you are going on a cruise ship, or going on a long road trip that's far away from your home for a while longer, or anywhere else. It does have a light button. it lets you know that when you turn the opener lights on or off, that's to let you know, when you press the light button, the opener lights will turn on in case if you are walking in your garage that has like only just one light. If it's like if it has like a burned out light bulb, just the one in your, just for the garage, not the one inside of your garage door opener. So, or in case if you don't know where the light switch is, okay. Now let's go ahead and use this premium Craftsman button, and here we go. Now we'll do the closing with this button, and here we go. Yeah, I know the holes kind of look different on my light cover, like I said in the other video. On the first video, I know the holes kind of look different, but I actually got those two light covers for my birthday last year. And it actually, and I really like those light covers, and I thought it would look cool to have it be put inside the garage door opener in our garage. But I took those out of the garage and put them on my my 54920. It does have a keypad, and it does make a beeping noise, but I can't show you the code. I don't think you need to, I don't think you need to put the code in when you're closing the garage door, but let's see if I can do the closing with it. Oh, you have to put the code in when you're opening and closing the garage door with the keypad. Alright, now let's go ahead and run the garage door opener one more time with the remote, and here we go. One final close with the remote, and here we go. Alright, that's all the 5 Craftsman garage door openers for now, and I actually made 3 videos for these garage door openers that are all in my room. So hope you enjoyed those all 3 videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.